1, 2, 3.
Begin.
Okay. Hello, everybody. My name is Maxim Danilov, and today my lightning talk about how we can rethinking about server-side rendering. At first, I want to say I work with Django since 2013, and since 2021 we use Vue.js version 2.7 right now. Special thanks for my team who provide me this lightning talk. Anastasia Sen created design of this presentation. Pavel Pelikin checked all my crazy idea in code, and Martin Achenreiner is our intern. He tested this all. We have standard headless schema. On client, we have a Vue.js application. After that, this application speaks with web server, and web server send requests to Node.js or to Django. Node speaks with Django through Django REST framework. But it works really slowly. What we can do? We can improve browser cache. We can use image cache. We can use async fetch in Node.js. And we can cache API. But it works really slowly. We start to refactor components. We made magic settings for a web server and settings for Node.js. We start to refactor. We start to use fast API. We start to improve ORM in Django, but it running slowly. What we can do? Something say us static site rendering. It made it faster. How? Well, for first request, somebody sent request to web server sent request to Node.js, which works in server-side mode. They rendered for us templates with data which provide Django REST framework, and after that, answer is sent to client, and after that, Vue application speaks with Django through Django REST framework. But how we can work with Vue.js without Node? Of course we cannot. But we can avoid use Node.js for production completely. How? Somebody sent a request to web server, and web server asked Django for rendered template. And this template, through template manager, is received from generated before templates from Vue.js. And other request after the first request works normally. What I want to achieve, I have a big team there. I have many developers on Vue, and they can create all on Vue perfectly. But after that, template from Vue.js developer, we works with these templates on the node. We create static site generation, and we generate Django templates in this moment. And Django after that works with these templates. How? In Vue.js component, we have places for example, product description or for product title, and for server static site generation, I send instead of product data tags, Django template tags. For example, like description, it comes Mustachio's project ref, for example. And after that, static site generation on Node generate for us templates which Django can use like normal templates for first answer. What we can achieve? We can achieve Django server-side rendering fast and furious, and of course these templates was created with Vue before. On the background, some Django template stacks is omitted, but it's really brilliant for our performance. Some Django template filters are omitted, but it's really brilliant for our performance. Inclusion tags are no longer used, and it's also brilliant for my performance. Result. We achieve a perfect result with these changes. Average first time to first byte lower than 100 milliseconds, around around 40 milliseconds, and this is hard work for Vue.js developers. Thank you for your attention. Maxim Danilov, you can ask me how it works. Thank you.
Thank you, Maxim. And that will conclude the lightning talks for today. I think there are still a few slots available in the Tuesday and Wednesday lightning talks, but for now, it is time to have lunch. So enjoy. But talks resume at 2 o'clock.